Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12R. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change display mode between dark and light. Also we can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options we can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically and enable dark mode for certain apps. Next we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via automatic brightness. Then we can enable or disable reading mode, change its mode that we can adjust and also schedule it. Next, we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated and standard. And we can change refresh rate between default, custom, 60 or 90 Hz. Then we can change font, text size, management devices in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.